Hey friends, so let me take a deep breath before we go ahead today, because this is going to be a longer ass video and we're going to go through it together, promise. So first of is this marbled number that I did for, I think, a 14-year-old guy. Yeah, a guy. And it was supposed to be kept really simple with minimal designs. Emphasis was on his love for Oreo cookies, and so I had to reflect that in the cake design, after which I just used up some inedible, hear me correctly, inedible but non-toxic plastic balls. Did a quick manual airbrush like that, as you could see, and then I added a happy birthday topper. It was a basic design. Next up was another basic design, but this time around in pink. All right, pink through and through, light pink body, and then the deeper pink chocolate drapes, strawberry drapes, that is what it is. And then I piped on the cake using my 2C wilting tip on the top border of the cake as well as on the bottom border of the cake, because that was exactly what was requested by the client. She wanted the cream on the top and the bottom side, and I had to come through. And then I used, as you see again, the gold inedible but non-toxic balls. It has become a staple in most of my designs because it's always quick to achieve. And yet, let me not forget that I added sprinkles because it was a kid's cake as well. And of course, I needed it to pop. Guys, this particular design, I loved it so much because it looked so rugged and masculine. I loved the shade of gray I used, and those are deep blue colored isomalt seals that I broke into bits to be able to give it that rugged look you're saying. Yeah, splashed on the gold to have that that look. And then of course our famous gold balls had to come somewhere. They liked it, really, honestly. And then this Paw Patrol design was made for a 4 or 5-year-old. Can't remember. But this tip I'm showing you in this part of this video is to let you see how to achieve clean sides around the bottom of your cake if you don't intend to pipe on the sides of the cake. So this Paw Patrol design, after I covered and combed smoothly as seen, I started adding the logo, the paws, the bows, but all in paper form, okay? And then of course I added all of the characters that contains in Paw Patrol because that was what was requested by the client. That's the standing cheese by the side on the board, so that it would have this 3D effect. So after that, of course, the famous favorite sprinkles had to come to play. Who else has noticed that for my kids character cakes, I always never really omit sprinkles and glitters, because I mean they're always colorful for kids. And this right here is how I use my disposable piping bag to pipe on the sides of the cake. Every time I have to pipe, I don't use the reusable ones.